Yeah, it's your old friend Dominic here with another one of our Red Dead Redemption videos.
This place ain't no such thing as civilized.
But we're not gonna be playing poker today. We're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna play some blackjack in the tiny town of Rhodes. I gotta watch out what I'm doing here because I've shot the place up a few times and I think the sheriff has it out for me. All right, so we got some rabid dogs and horse crap in the road. Okay, oof, it's flies, man. This is the gambling house. Get out of my way. I got some gambling to do. That's how I break into every place. I just run straight through the door. My mustache looking good.
I do beg your pardon.
Yeah, I beg your pardon too. Let's see, where's that blackjack table? Looks like some fine Southern gentlemen here. We're gonna play some blackjack, $4. This guy's like the slowest dealer in the world. His hands look like monkey gorillas.
That's in, please.
All right, I'm betting $2. 2 cents rather. What's the dealer have? The dealer's holding a 9 face up. I got a soft 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a hit.
Give me your card. 13.
Now I got a hard 13. Oh geez, this is really bad. Okay, I'm gonna take a hit. It's only 2 cents.
Let's try again. 18.
Ooh, I'm gonna stay on 18. He's just got a 9 face up. Dealer shows 16.
That's a bust.
That's a bust. We just won some money, boys. Okay.
Get all bets down.
Let's increase the amount. Let's go to 20 cents. We're feeling very lucky today. Let's see what we get. 7. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, 17. Dealer showing an ace. Do we want insurance? I always go against insurance, guys, so I'm gonna decline the insurance. Dealer shows 21. All right. Unfortunately, that's why you get insurance, but I don't believe in insurance, guys. That's why I never get in car accidents. All right, so let's increase our bet again back to 20 cents. I'm kind of frustrated that I can't just keep it at 20 cents. It just goes automatically back to 2 cents. That's weird.
Time to start.
Okay, I got an ace showing. That's good. Come on, blackjack. 17. I'm gonna stand on 17.
18. No. High noon. 12.
Okay. 22. There we go, baby. Oh, you got 21. My bad. I can't count. I'm losing a lot of money here. Let's see. Let's place the bet.
Great. No more bets. Let's play.
There's that queen I need. Come on, monkey. 17. Dealer showing an ace. Well, last time I declined the insurance bet. Well, I'll mix it up. I'll take the insurance bet.
I always go against insurance, guys.
I'll take the insurance bet. Let's see. What has he got? He's got an 8. He's got no. Ah, insurance pays out. There we go. There we go. Let's go to 25. It's in increments of 2 cent pieces. Okay, that's interesting. All right.
Bets are closed. Let's get started.
All right, there's my queen. Come on, ace. 19, all right. But dealer's showing an 8. I'm just gonna stand on 19.
All right. 14.
Come on, bust. 16.
I see.
19. Ooh, it's a push. Let's play some big stakes here. I feel plucky. Let's go 50 cents on this hand. I'll start doing the Martingale method after this. All right, I have a really bad 12. Ooh, I'm gonna take a hit. I'm gonna definitely take a hit on 12.
Hit me. 13 there.
Oh God! All right, I'll take another hit.
This again. 18.
All right, we're gonna stand on 18. 20. Rigged deck, man, rigged deck. I lost that hand and now I've said I'm gonna go with the Martingale method. So in order to meet the Martingale method, I have to double my previous bet. So I'm gonna go for a full dollar. There we go. $1, big stakes. 17.
Got 9 there.
Dealer showing us 9. Oh, stand. The interesting thing is it looks like this is a single deck game of blackjack. So I think I could effectively card count if I was going with that strategy.
You got a 15.
God. Oh my God, it's like 6 cards and he finally busts on 23. All right, dealer shows 13.
I see 19 there.
19, oh my God. So according to the Martingale method, I lost $1. So I'm gonna have to bet $2 this game, $2. Could buy a whole house for that back then. Ace, come on, give me that king. Give me that king. Ooh, 20. All right, all right, all right.
I'm gonna put down insurance bets if you're wanting.
I'm gonna decline the insurance.
I don't think. name of the game?
Oh, God! I only got 2 cents left. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bet my 2 cents. This is gonna be the hand I win. Watch, kids.
Let's get started.
No, with a 2. Okay, we're already in the right path here. 12. I'm gonna take a hit. I'm gonna take a hit, guys. 15. I'm gonna take another hit.
I'll take a card.
20. All right, I'm gonna stand on 20.
9.
Oh, don't.
11 there.
All right.
High noon.
12. Come on.
21.
Oh my God! All right, so I guess it's time for me to shoot up the place. So let's go ahead and leave the table.
I got nothing left.
I got nothing left except for my pistols. Got the lawman coming for me. Don't move! Bust through the door! I live to play another day, but those guys who took my money did not. So here I go into the grand, wild west and beyond. Let this be a lesson to you kids. Insurance might seem like a sucker play, but ultimately, I think, in this game at least, it's a wise investment. So guys, unfortunately that's it for today. I went bust in Rhodes, but join us next time when we go to a different town to try my luck, and hopefully I don't have to shoot my way out of town and get in trouble with the law. Make sure to also check out the rest of the videos on the channel. We got some more Red Dead videos. We have videos on blackjack, poker, so on and so forth. Hit that subscribe button, ring a ding ding, that notification bell, slam that like button. My name's Dominic, reminding you as always, play responsibly.